This is Nara Park. You can see deers. So deers are everywhere here. It is dark. I came late, so I told as I am running late. So deers roam very freely. This is coming towards me, and I was going away from him. So this is Nara Deer Park. So it is late, dark. Otherwise, I could have seen and meet so many deers.
멋있는 냄새를 봤나 본데.
They are roaming freely. I just googled, so there are 1200 to 1500 deers in this deer park, but it will take time to roam this park for at least 2-3 hours, and they roam freely. So and they mingle with tourists. I have quickly finished visiting Nara Park. So now I want to take Namba train, JR Namba train. So I can directly go to Namba. From Namba is only 2 stops my hotel. Better to take Namba, JR line to Namba or Kinetsu line. So whatever is available now. Kinetsu line, I think it is a bit slow, so I will check if I have any JR line to Namba. I have bought a ticket here, so I saw JR Namba is 680 yen, so I have bought a 680 yen ticket. So if it is less after going there, I will update with fare adjustment ticket. So I am now going to platform. These are gates, left side tickets. These are all restaurants, shops. Let me go to circle first, then I can see. But I don't want to waste time here eating or drinking something. So if I miss train, I have to wait like maybe 20-30 minutes because this is weekend. So weekdays is fine, but weekend there will be less trains if I am not wrong. I'm just putting my ticket. Yeah, I have validated my ticket. It is a small ticket, so I have to see A705. I have to wait. It is in Japanese. Osaka Namba. Okay, platform 4, sub semi express. Okay, there is also express. Why should I go in sub semi express? I will take express, and it is coming to track 1, I think. 7, yeah, rapid express Osaka Namba. Departure third train. So yeah, 1. I have to go to 1, platform 1. So when there is a rapid train, why should we go in a sub rapid or less? So it takes 7. So 7:15. So I have 15 minutes time. So I can buy something to eat in Family Mart. Family Mart is very convenient. It is everywhere. Stop Shinomiya, Yamato. So I can see 7:15 train, platform 1. It is displaying all stops. So I have to wait. It is in Japanese. It will turn into Osaka Namba. Oh, there are several stops. It's fine, but it is a rapid. I have bought one water bottle, one donut, one small donut packet, and one juice.
No alcohol.
No alcohol. So it is 1035 yen. And biscuits. So I am going to station. So 7:15 is my train. This is Family Mart. So it is excellent. It is very low price compared to other shops. So I have bought it there from that girl. They don't like to record videos with the uniform. So now I see 7:15 going down. So platform 1, Rapid train is readily available on the platform. So I will go and sit. It will start at 7:15. So now the time is 7:50, 7:05. You can see the trains. Even JR lines, they are excellent. JR lines means they are not Shinkansen. They are just connect to small towns, different towns in Japan. So today I'm first time taking these JR lines. So my JR pass is valid, but unfortunately, so validity is completed yesterday. So I have to buy tickets. So this train is going to. Now I have to take Midosoji line to go to my hotel. So just I have to go straight. So that's it. So I got into this train Midosoji line after getting down from my train from Nara. So this is Midosoji metro line. So I have to go to M22. Only 2 stops. This is M21 already. From there is only my hotel is only 5 minutes. This is Midosoji line.
22. Passengers can transfer here to the Sakai Suji Line, JR Line, and Kankai Line. The doors on the left side will
Use these gates to come out and to go to my hotel. So Suga card has been charged 190 yen for two stops. It looks like there is a flat rate. These are the restaurants close to my hotel. So Japanese restaurant. So Hotel Tayo. I am going to stay there for tomorrow because I wanted to extend in my hotel, present hotel, Mikado, but there is no vacancy. I'm going to stay in Tayo for 7-8 hours. Then I leave here around 7 o'clock because my flight from Osaka to Hawaii is at 10 p.m. So I think I will be okay if I leave here at 6:30, 6:45 or before 7. So I have to go to Namba, that to just 2 stops from here. From Namba, either I can take bus to airport or I can take a train to airport. I will see tomorrow. Or at least I will start by 6:30. So 6:30, 6:45. I am going to Indian restaurant now. I eat my dinner and go to hotel. I eat here every day in a restaurant. It is Nepali. So you can see the name. It is difficult to remember. It will be Asian time Bansakar. So it's a typical Nepali restaurant. So this is the kitchen. And they serve also alcoholic drinks. Finally reached my hotel, Hotel Mikado, after having dinner at Indian restaurant. So this is 5th April 2025. Visited Kyoto and Nara Park, Kyoto Temple, Kyoto Shrine.